Hello everyone, my name is Mona Jaludi and I'll be discussing determinism. Let's begin by talking about the attitudes of science. The attitudes of science are necessary features that provide important context in understanding applied behavior analysis. The attitudes of science are determinism, empiricism, experimentation, replication, parsimony, and philosophical doubt. These are values and assumptions that guide the work of all scientists. But for this presentation, I'll be discussing determinism. So what is determinism? According to Cooper, determinism is the assumption that the universe is lawful and an orderly place in which phenomena occur in relation to other events and not in a willy-nilly accidental fashion. And after understanding more about determinism, I found that it is important because it is one of the primary characteristics in applied behavior analysis. And after reviewing it, I found there are different types of determinism, such as strict, soft, and hard determinism. But nonetheless, determinism has a pivotal role in the conduct of scientific practice. All events in the universe, including human decisions and actions, are causally inevitable. I found a couple examples and non-examples of determinism, and I found that the clearest one and straight to the point example of determinism is that plants grow and flourish due to photosynthesis. I found that this was straight to the point and I liked it. While some might argue, like for example, about strict determinism, that a person's genetics is the cause that makes that individual anxious, or that being born into poverty predestines your poverty in the future. These are all interesting, and I found that a non-example of determinism would be that plants grow and flourish due to rain dance. Something fascinating was that when I was reviewing determinism, I found that there was a lot of argument and debate for determinism versus free will. Now, when it comes to determinism, we know that stuff isn't willy-nilly. Something leads to something else. So one event in nature leads to something else, an outcome, cause and effect. While free will is the idea that we are able to have some choice in how we act and assumes that we are free to choose our own behavior. Now, this is a clip that I thought was funny, a little image about determinism that kind of shows you of how something can completely change and how that everything is linked together. So it's the main idea is that there is a natural order to things, and that something that might happen today is the cause of something that happens tomorrow. Thank you, and here are my references.
Created using Powtoon.